Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is the robber screen. About 2 weeks ago, I was out here working in the bee yard, and I noticed a lot of activity from this hive. Wasn't exactly sure what was going on, so I decided to take a closer look. Turns out we had a robbing issue, at least what I think was a robbing issue. We had a lot of bees going in and out of here, and a lot of angry bees fighting with other bees. Bees were ending up all over the ground. So I ran down in my basement real quick and I whipped up this robber screen. Basically, the whole principle of this is bees that are coming from another hive, they can't find their way in because they're doing it by smell, but the bees that are in this hive already will find the entrance hole, and it just becomes a new entrance hole. So I went ahead and did that. You might recognize this as the trap that we took down. This is the trap. We had a little problem with the trap. Somehow the queen went missing. I'm not exactly sure what happened. They may have swarmed, because when I opened this up there was no queen and there were 6 queen cells in here. It could have been a swarm, or something else might have happened. The other thing I did when I put the robber screen on was stop feeding. I didn't want to encourage any more problems with bees from other hives coming in here and eating. Thanks for watching these videos, guys, and if you have a robbing problem, go ahead and try the robber screen. Seems to work really well.